What's up, guys? Kennedy here, and we're back for another video. This one is gonna be another Mix 16 of the set. It is Son of a Digger, with a few exceptions. So you got Beat Locks and BKT tires. This is from Series 16, and there's one error. There is actually a Son of a Digger Boneyard Trucks on the back of the car. That's just kind of weird. This is part of the Legacy trucks. Once again, so another Mix 16 of the series. So I got Kraken, Gravedigger, Saigon Shaker, Zombie, Great Class Small Clear, Boneyard, and then Son of a Digger. That's it. I think that's all 6. So let's get this. Let's just get this guy open. Let's take a look. So here's the brand new improved Son of a Digger. It's got the sweet flame grill on it. Looks so accurate to the real life version, with a few exceptions. There's the blue Beat Locks with some BKT tires. Looks just like the real truck. Well, kind of. So it's to celebrate the 10th anniversary of this truck. It's debuted in March. It was also debuted in Havlix, Nova Scotia, I think. Please tell me if I'm correct. If this truck debuted in Nova Scotia. It's got some, like, fluff all over it. Here's the roof. I cannot tell, look at this, but it's so pretty cool. You can see it's still, they still spin. There's the wheelie bar that came with. So this one shares the same color as the chassis and the rims, or the roll cage and the rims, or even the flames. This is a perfect addition to my MJ event series. But it rolls really well. This was my 6 out of 8 of the Mix 8 series. The one I need to get is the Soldier Fortune from Sheer Madness. No, wait. The Desert one. The Mossberg Rottweiler. And then Monster Hut, right? I think it was Monster Hut. I just lost it. Anyway. Hey, this guy looks so cool. Looks so accurate to the original, though. It's got some, like, powder stuff there that's pretty not good enough. Looks cool, though. That's pretty cool, sweet grill. I mean, it looks so awesome. It's like a Ford panel truck. It's got stuff in there. It's got some, like, dust all over it. Or is it fluff? But you can tell. So here's like I said, I'll show you. This is the wheelie bar. Yeah, it looks pretty neat with the flame decal, but I have no idea what the end part is. Probably goes onto the truck. Okay, it looks like it's stuck. It looks like it's stick there, but I don't want to break it, so... Yeah, there's another one like this, but in the Showtime edition. So, yeah, this is going to be a perfect addition to our collection. So, there's the poster like I show you, which shows Soldier Fortune in it. So, yeah, anyway, that was Son of a Digger. And I know it's kind of short, but I'm really sorry for you guys for not posting. Because all that mishap that I did last night. So, yeah, anyway, that was it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later for the next video.